Steph, you won 2 championships with UP. Now you're with the NCR team, gunning for the Under-23 tournament. Kaya ba?
Ah, as of now, may pressure kasi hindi naman kami halos, although hindi naman lahat ng UAP na magagaling nakuha namin. Then, although may taga from Iloilo, like sila Filongco, then yung mga ex players ng UAP, like sila Ansing, then the Bacolod team, which is binuo nila ng West Negros and USLS. So pressure talaga sa amin kasi like actually short preparation lang for us kasi different teams kami from college, then after ngayon nag-meet kami, so mahirap yung binibuild up na namin is team chemistry.
Pero how's chemistry so far?
As of now, yung progression namin better hanggang ngayon, okay na. So hopefully makukuha namin first game pa lang.
Alright. Last question, Steph. You're not from Manila. You're from Butuan.
Yes.
From Butuan. How nagkaroon ba ang team ang Butuan for this tournament?
Yeah, actually nagkaroon ng team sa UP team. Tatlo kami, like si Mordeno and si Serna from Butuan. They contact us last month for Mindanao elimination. So may class pa kasi during that time, so hindi kami nakapunta. So nag-decide kami na sa NCR team na lang kami.
Wala ka bang feeling nun that sayang, sana nag-represent ako ng Butuan,
Yeah, actually sayang kasi yung represent ko lang, yung huling represent ko ng Butuan is nung high school pa lang. So at least sana ngayon kung na-represent ko, tataas pa siguro yung football. Kasi as of now, binubuhay namin yung football sa Butuan. So yun, sana which is good kasi napalitan na lahat ng officers namin, so bago na yung namin, yung officers. So
Okay, thanks.